here today with Fredrik Westlund from WSI, and I met Fredrik at the Vaughan Expo last month, and he was one of the winners of the contest for free Luxe Shield license plate covers, and he has decided to go with the blue cover for his beautiful black BMW, and you're gonna see this baby is gonna stand out, and everyone's going to be attracted to your license plate.
Maybe they want to buy the car.
Maybe. You're going to put that inside. Okay. Now you're going to push it, put some pressure, nice and firm. Okay. So push that inside. You're going to push it against your bracket, and then I'm going to give you the screws. And you'll see how easy it is. It'll take you less than a minute.
Yeah. Beautiful. So
what do you think?
Oh, it's beautiful. This is very nice. So now it increased the value of $5,000.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You're gonna get a lot more girls that are gonna be after you on the road.
Now it will be very difficult. I will be so distracted.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. My pleasure.